This is Cinda and this is Chalky, and back from vacation, Mr. Ashley, our chef.
Hello.
So Ashley is going to show us how to urban farm in Jakarta. Ashley, would you like anything to add?
Yes, as a chef, I've always been very interested in the benefits of fresh food, and in particular the healing properties that you can get from the variety of food that's available. For instance, here we have some basil. Basil is used a lot in European food. It's providing a wonderful flavor, and it also provides beneficial and healing properties. In Asia, one of the best plants that you can find is moringa, also known as mulungai, and it has such a wide range of properties that are used in a variety of places. In Africa, for instance, people who suffer from hunger are able to use the plant to supplement as their food.
So now, before we go any further, we're going to go around the house and show Ashley first the house and our animals that will accompany us throughout the season.
So, who's this little fellow?
Well, this is Silver. He's a rescued cat. He's a Mancoon. We're going to bring him to the vet because he needs to get, I think he has scabies or something.
Right.
But yeah, I'm going to show you one of my favorite birds.
Right.
Okay. This is my favorite one. Where is he? Come. Hello. Hello. He's a very friendly bird.
Can I?
Yes, he will be one of the animals that's going to accompany you when you're doing the urban farming at the back.
Right.
Do you see? Okay.
A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Okay, do you want to put him back first? And I'll take you along who else is going to accompany us when we're going to work with our urban farm. Oh, they're going to accompany you. So this is Chichi and this is Mochi, and they will be accompanying you also in the urban farming.
They are gorgeous,
yeah,
aren't they? Fancy having a couple of otters in the house.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll start our urban farming this afternoon.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll see you in our next episode and see how Chef Ashley is going to turn our back garden to our urban farm. See you.
See you.